Y'all, late video today on my daughter's birthday. We were out running around, but back to give you guys a daily report. Uh, Man, today was weird at first, but it turned around. Um, what happened today? So in the morning, the stock market was tripping because Alphabet, Apple, and Disney were all decliners. Despite having some positive feedback from their earnings. Um, Uber had bad guidance this morning. They beat their earnings, but they had bad guidance. So investors were like, ugh. Um, and then towards the afternoon time frame, the market turned around for positive. Actually, it ran. Advancers outnumbered decliners to a 2-to-1 ratio in the New York Stock Exchange, and eight out of the 11 sectors were in the green today. Um, so that boosted returns to the positive side today, and there's a drop in the treasury yield in the treasury markets today, so that helped rally the market as well. So yeah, a bunch of news coming out, but I made a video yesterday saying that it's going to be hard to beat um, like Nasdaq when stuff runs, but hey, we beat it today, right? Again, my options ETFs, they limit the upside that we have, right? So I get a lot of my gains from Cornerstone, right? And I did something today that I'm going to talk about at the end of this video, but let me get past this part first. So the indexes, S&P's up 0.39, Dow's up 0.19. Sorry, Jesus Christ. S&P's up 0.39, Nasdaq's up 0.19, and Dow is up 0.71. Total gains were up 0.770, and days gains are up 0.36, which we are beating all the indexes but the Dow by 1 point. So crazy day, crazy day, crazy day, right? My leaders, um, QQQY, okay. QQQY was turned up today. Of course, Cornerstone. My laggers, YMAX are lagging. Of course, I bought shares of them today. I'm gonna talk about that in a second. But yeah, so again, I don't really care about all this news, man, right? All this tariff news, all this news, all that news, right? The market is propped up by inflation, right? So it's going to go up forever. So we just buy, right? Also, you have to think like a stock, right? Is Uber going to go anywhere? Is Disney going to go anywhere? No. Like, I feel like a lot of these companies like Fox and CNBC be like creating like doomsday headlines. Like, bro, just put your money in the stock and walk away. Let it do its thing. It's going to freaking recover. But they got to have a segment, so I guess I get it. All right. So I did something this morning. I was thinking last night. I actually activated it last night, but I was thinking, I was like, why do I have SCHD in my portfolio? As you can see, I don't have SCHD in my portfolio. I sold it last night, right? Because again, I get my growth through Cornerstone. Watch this. I'm about to blow y'all mind. So remember, I'm a dividend investor, right? When you look at the charts of Cornerstone, they look terrible on E-Trade, Robinhood, Yahoo Finance, all that shit. You can't look at those charts. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you why, right? So ever since 2010, when they figured out what they were going to do with their, whenever they figured out what they were going to do with their investments, it's just been trading sideways, right? Cool. I like that. I don't like a lot of ups and downs, right? If you guys haven't seen my first video about, no, my last Saturday's video about my ETFs I invest in, watch that video. It explains Cornerstone into depth. But look, I'm up uh, $2.64, right? So this is why I sold SCHD. So SCHD, I only put it in there because it's like a dividend grower, but it pays quarterly. Remember, I get paid 8 times every single week, right? And then twice at the end of the month. right? So SCHD, everybody knows it goes just straight up, right? And dividends grow with it, but it pays quarterly, right? Scroll down. The 1 year market value, 11.67%, right? The net asset value, 11.6%. That's cool. But look at this though. So remember this, 11%. Look at Cornerstone, right? For a stock that moves, oh, that's not it, my bad. For a stock that moves pretty much down, look at these gains, right? 44% gain, 23% gain for a stock that moves sideways to down, right? So I'm saying you can't just look at these charts and be like, bro, what? Because I'm outperforming SCHD. And peep this. Look at us, I'm outperforming with Cornerstone. That's why Cornerstone is crazy. I'm outperforming the best stock in the entire world. Ticker symbol VOO. Everybody says put your money in VOO and let it ride. Okay, cool. 5-star fund. Cornerstone's 4-star, sometimes 5-star. It bounces in between. 24%. 24% from market value and NAS. Cornerstone was 44 and then 23. I'm on pace, if not beating it. And I get a dividend every single month. This pays you every quarter, I think. Yeah. Tiny dividend every quarter. I make this monthly. And it's outpacing it in growth. Like, come on, man. So I realized that and I was like, yeah, Cornerstone really is for growth, but you can't look at it on an E-Trade account. Look at the charts on Morningstar. Again, look at Cornerstone, CRF or CLM doesn't really matter. They're both the same. Right? Cornerstone looks terrible, but I'm outperforming ticker symbol VO. I just showed y'all the data. Right? Just showed y'all the freaking data. It's going down. It's not the real chart. Got to go to Morningstar because it just doesn't make sense. How am I outperforming VOO if it's going straight down? VOO goes straight up because E-Trade is not the real chart. Let's see, what is VOO doing against its index? Probably going straight up. Hold on. Mom's calling. Hello? She's asleep. No. I'll grab her. The data. BRB. Mom. Mom. Call me on this phone. I'm doing the video real quick. All right, my bad. So, it's my daughter's birthday. Right. So let's look at VO 5-star fund. Yep, right on pace with the index. That's cool. But so is Cornerstone. I just showed y'all the proof. Y'all can't say I'm a liar. 4-star fund, sometimes 5-star. Lagging the index just a little bit, but remember, this pays a monthly dividend. I'm a dividend investor first, so I'm getting capital gains and I'm getting growth and I'm getting dividends every single month. At one point, it was killing the index. This is Cornerstone right here. It's up what 30-something thousand, right? What's this? CRF. Let's CLM. Let's go to CRF. Goddamn CRF. So this is the true chart. Yep, right on pace with the index. This is the true chart. You can't look at Robinhood and all that shit, right? So that's why I sold out of my SCHD because I don't really need it. It's just another fund I got to invest in. I can consolidate my investments, focus on like less things. Like we're good to go. So yeah. So got rid of SCHD. That's why. Cornerstone killing the fucking game, bro. So again, all this is not financial advice. So do your own research. This is just what I'm doing. So Yeah, man. My goal every day, every month, every year is just to keep pace or beat the indexes, and we are. So yeah, man, that's my portfolio for today. That's my thought process, my outlook, and yeah, yeah, man, great day, great day. I think we got some Mag Seven. I think Amazon drops tomorrow is earnings. So again, don't be scared of earnings. Don't be scared of tariff news. Don't be scared of all this news, bro. The stock market not going nowhere, bro. All this doomsday prepping shit, don't worry about it. The stock market not going nowhere. It's being held up by inflation, right? I'm gonna make a video about that along later on down the road. So it's not going nowhere. Just because Uber goes down somewhere, okay, it's not going nowhere, right? It's because Microsoft has bad earnings or whatever, or Google has bad earnings or revenue. It's not going nowhere. Think like a stock. Think like a stock. Two, don't invest in single stocks anyway. Remember, tie everything to the index. All my funds are tied to the index. Tied to the index. That's what you have to do. So, I mean, yeah, killing the game. Good day today. Good day today. Yeah, up 0.7%. Estimated income did go up a little bit to went up like 15 bucks. So I should be making about 20 bucks a month. That's cool, bro. I'm gonna keep snowballing. I'm trying to make about 300 bucks a month residually by the end of this year, and then go up each year to 1,000 bucks next year, 2,000 a year before the next year. So again, the goal is to retire out of this account and live financially free with no debt and my Bitcoin. Bitcoin videos coming soon. But that's what happened today. Great day today. Let's see. I think my performance is starting to finally kick in. Again, I just started this portfolio in January 1st. So okay, a little bit of lag behind the Nasdaq, just a little bit. Again, it takes a while for everything to kick in, dividends and everything to like calculate. So, yep, doing good, man. Doing good, doing good. That's what we looking like. That's what we looking like. Beautiful day. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. I'll catch y'all tomorrow.